What's up, guys? Good to see you here on the Mr. Dig channel. As always, I was headed to the Big Dig to check on the excavation process, but saw my buddy Aaron and Luis over here working on the wash plant, so let's go see what they done tore up. Luis, how you doing, friend?
Pretty good. Where you at? Hold on.
I'm on the third one down.
All right. I'm with you now.
All right. Number 4.
All right, hold on. There you go.
7.
You had the one directly at the bottom, right?
Direct? No.
No.
Where you at? See if you see it moving.
Nope. I must have had it on there.
That's the right one?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, all right, go to the next one.
All right.
Next. I like that.
Huh?
That looks more better.
Yeah. Paint them are tight.
What we have to do, put new bearings in or what?
Yeah. Twice.
What do you mean twice?
We'll put them in. And there was water over here. I thought it'd come in where the grease zerd is, but I was wrong. It had worn pits in right here where Keith's got his finger at.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And we found
dang.
we found them and had to weld all that up, but the water got into the bearings and killed them.
Oh, no.
So anyways,
When was the last you replaced them? Or how long did they make it? Good thing you skinny.
How y'all did this?
Suck it in.
I don't know. You're making me claustrophobic.
I come through there the other day.
Did you?
Yeah, I seen him go through it and I seen Luis do it. Wait.
I don't know.
You got an
well, if Keith, if you can't make it through there, I know I can't. My belly won't fit. So how long did the original ones make it?
The original ones made it, 10 years.
Yeah, but then you replaced them, then they got wet, then they failed again. Is that what I'm hearing?
Yeah, they lasted about a week.
Oh no.
Yeah. So anyways.
Is that a warranty issue? Oh no. Well, don't even tell me how much they cost then. I don't want to know after today.
No,
it's just,
they're not that bad.
Yeah, sure they're not.
I mean, it's just a drop in the hat.
Yeah. Luis, you got it under control over here, buddy? All right. Well,
Yep.
dang, I never would have thought you'd have holes in the top of that that housing to allow water in there.
Well, I guess the way the gusset sits right here.
Yeah.
Which when I welded it all now so it's slanted down, but when it was just square, so I guess it held stuff and
Vibrated.
shook it around and
Just-
it made a pit. Yeah.
Just pit it out.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, look like you got her fixed up now, buddy.
We're getting there.
Good job, guys. All right, well, y'all having too much fun up here. We're gonna go check on the Big Dig and see how much dirt they moved today.
Alright.
I know when to make my exit, and
Sounds good.
I think now's the time.
We're just about to do the fun part.
What's that?
Put the counterweight on.
Oh goodness.
Yeah. You gotta stay for that.
How much does that weigh?
I don't know. You see how small it is.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
I don't know. What's it
I think Keith could throw it up there.
Yeah.
120, 140 pounds. Something.
Maybe 140.
Yeah,
Yeah, something like that.
it's a chunk. All right, we'll stay and watch that, I reckon. We'll stay and help with that part, Aaron.
You stay and help.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
So did the bearing just come apart, or how did we know that it failed?
It seized up.
Oh, did it?
Oh yeah. Yeah. Made a lot of noise for a couple days.
I bet so.
And I was thinking that maybe it'd keep going, but I didn't know it was full of water, so
Water don't work as good as grease, do it?
I don't know why.
I don't either.
It's wet.
It's a lubricant.
Yeah.
It's a lot cheaper.
Yeah. Not in this case.
Well, that's true too.
Trying to figure out how much time for the next one comes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I
You
time them
have
out.
load trucks and mechanic today, huh?
Yeah. I be trying to time the trucks out.
Getting close to the end of the day, but yeah, you probably got one or two more.
Yeah. It took them 30 minutes to get over there, about 10 minutes to dump, 30 minutes to get back.
Man, I hate grease. I'll tell you, it sucks.
Aaron, you made any of your famous jerky yet this year?
I got some down there by the truck.
Man,
I was eating it earlier.
I've been missing that.
Yeah. Got me a couple bags at home. Gotta make me some more.
You know, Christmas time's coming up.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
That
sure
would be great.
is.
It'd be great to give all the guys that work here, wouldn't it?
It would. Wouldn't be a bad idea at all. Now, when you say that work here, do you mean folks like me too?
I mean the
or
guys that work here.
guys that actually do work?
Everybody over there.
I figured that was covered.
All right, Luis.
Yes, sir. Ready to do it to it?
See, it's not that bad.
No, that wasn't bad at all. I didn't even grunt when y'all was picking it up, man. Keyway's pretty important with this thing, ain't it?
Slightly. Just slightly. Let's do the bottom first.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, it got stuck last time, right?
Sure. Aaron, are they hauling white chalk today or what?
Yes.
All right, she'll go shaky shake now, Keith. All right, y'all are having too much fun for me. So I'm gonna let y'all continue to have it. We're gonna go check on the big dig, and Keith should be back to washing some dirt tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Good job, fellas. I appreciate y'all, man. That's a big job.
Yep.
Especially 2 times in a week.
2 times.
Oh well. You'll be professionals at it now, though.
Yeah, I know. I hope we'll never do.
Yep, they're making the long haul with the white chalk stuff. Let's go see how much we got left in that hole. I know it's quite a bit, unfortunately. If you watched any of the past videos, you know we're trying to excavate and open up that big cell in the landfill. We ran into some white kaolin chalk material. It's having to go down to the bottom to be dumped. That's what we call the long haul because, well, longer distance than coming right here to the sand plant. And we're crushing some concrete today too. And it's dusty. I gotta put my shades on. But yeah, we got stuff happening all over the property today. I hate that for those guys, but that's just kind of part of it. We're not gonna drive down too far into the hole. My little golf cart Polaris still hadn't written me back. I was hoping that I could get me an all-electric Polaris Ranger, but I don't know. I sent a couple of emails and no response. So I guess we'll be driving a little red golf cart for a while now. But it's better than walking. Let's go down here and check on our buddy Nick, see what depth we're at. Now I do know this much, we've got to have the surveyors come back very soon to come down and survey the very bottom of the cell to tell us whether or not we need to cut or fill. Hopefully we're down very close to depth, and I feel that we are, but without them pulling their GPS stakes down there and telling us exactly where we are, we won't know. It looks like we've stepped over just a little bit. You can see the wall going there. Our road, we had to move it. So the haul road's right on top of this ridge here. We had to kind of scoot it over. So I guess Nick is trying to follow that haul road a little bit. Nick, what's up, buddy?
Come to relieve me?
Yeah, I'll jump in there. You go handle my issues. I will gladly jump in that Volvo. Good to see you, bro.
You too.
How's it coming?
We're getting there.
Yeah? Let's see what you're looking like. Oh man, this chalk just keeps growing, doesn't it? I see it on the wall over there. At least it's not going up, but it ain't going down like I thought it was. Daggum. So this chalk goes all the way to the floor out there, you see. But yeah, this is where they'll come, use their GPS stuff to kind of tell us how deep we are, and then we'll know with 100% accuracy what we've got to do. We can keep that grade working right across the floor. How's your Volvo doing?
Running great.
Yeah?
So what we'll end up doing right here is, well, here in a second, is ramping this out so that way the trucks can get out. Then I'll start back with the sand and level that out up there.
Okay.
And then once we actually drop it down lower, I'll load them up and they can come down here and then go back up that slope on the other side.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, that'd be a lot better.
Yeah.
Anytime you keep them in a circle,
Yeah.
keep them from backing up. save a little bit of time. Plus they're having to make that darn long haul right now, taking this chalk down to the chalk spot. So, but it is what it is, man. We got to put it somewhere.
Yep.
Y'all opened up a lot of room though, dude. Y'all doing good. I'm impressed. Now we just got to stay ahead of the trash and keep it moving. So, all right, well, good job, buddy.
Who won the, well, obviously Zach won it. Who got second place?
I don't know. We got to go check the comments and see. I haven't had time to go check it.
All right.
So we'll go check them and see. Everybody did. Y'all all did great, man.
Yeah.
Other than me. I couldn't do it. I don't know how y'all do it. I don't know.
What's the next challenge going to be?
I don't know. What's the next challenge going to be, guys? They'll let us know.
Yeah, they'll have something great.
They'll have something. I don't know how great it'll be, but they'll have something. Coming along, guys, slowly but surely. Whenever we're in the sand and making that short haul, that's when we really feel like we're making a ton of progress, and because we are. But now that they're doing this long haul, it just seems to slow things down a little bit. But we're gonna go fly the drone around right now. I need to get some aerial shots of this cell, and then we'll go check on the concrete crushing, the landfill, and just fly around a little bit. Well, we got stuff going on absolutely everywhere, but I got the shots I need from the drone. Hopefully satisfied y'all's need for a little drone footage that you've been asking for. Let me know what you want to see in the comments below. I'll be happy to film it if I can. Other than that, I appreciate you hanging out with me today at all the times that you do. Give the video a thumbs up if you don't mind. Consider subscribing if you hadn't already. And other than that, I'll see you on the next one.